Hi! In front of me is iPhone 13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll down just a bit and click on sounds and haptics. Now scroll down again and click on one of those options under sounds and haptic patterns. I will go with ringtone. Now you need to click on vibration section at the top and manage vibrations for chosen feature. Over here under standard, you can select the best vibration pattern for you by clicking on it. You can also enable synchronized vibrations by choosing this feature here, and even scroll all the way down and disable vibrations completely by choosing none. If you wish to, you can always click on create new vibration under custom as well, and over here create your own vibration pattern by tapping it. If you wish for it to stop, you need to click on the bottom right corner. In order to listen to it, click on play at the bottom left one. If you wish to reset it and start over, you need to just record at the bottom right corner and create your pattern one more time. Now, in order to discard it, you can choose cancel at the top left corner over here, and in order to save it, choose save at the top right one. Now name it however you wish to, and finally click on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you can always do that by clicking on edit at the top left corner, right corner, choosing it, clicking on delete, and tapping on done to save your changes. Then click on the top left corner twice. You can do all of this for all of those features. Then click on keyboard feedback and disable or enable keyboard vibrations by clicking on this green sweater next to haptics. Now click on the top left corner and scroll down. Then click on those two sweaters under ring silent mode switch to enable or disable vibrations in ring mode and silent mode. Lastly, click on this sweater next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback on your smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!